In today's video, I'm going to show you how to link your PayPal account to Epic Games step by step so you can set up a payment method quickly and start using PayPal for purchases in your Epic account. This is a simple process, but if you've never done it before, I'll walk you through everything clearly so you don't get stuck. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy how-to videos. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your browser and go to the official Epic Games website. Make sure you're on the real Epic Games page so your account stays secure. Once the site loads, click sign in and log in with the Epic Games account you want to connect with PayPal. Use the correct email and the password, and if you have two-factor authentication enabled, complete that step as well. After you're signed in, go to the top right corner of the page and hover over your profile icon. A menu should appear, and from there, click Account. This will take you to your account dashboard, where you can manage your profile, security, and payment options. On the left-hand menu, look for Payment Settings and click it. This is the section where Epic Games lets you add and manage payment methods for your account. Once you're in Payment Settings, look for the option that says Add a Payment Method. Under that section, select PayPal. When you click PayPal, Epic Games will redirect you to the PayPal login or authorization screen. This is where you'll finish setting up the connection between your PayPal account and Epic Games. Enter your PayPal email and password if prompted, then follow the on-screen instructions to approve the link. If PayPal asks you to confirm permissions, review them carefully and continue once everything looks correct. After that, you should be sent back to Epic Games, and PayPal will now be added as a payment method on your account. At this point, it's a good idea to double-check that the connection was successful. Go back to your payment settings and make sure PayPal appears in your list of saved payment methods. If it does, then you're all set. You can now use PayPal during checkout for Epic Games purchases, depending on availability in your region and the product you're buying. If you don't see PayPal right away, refresh the page or sign out and back in. Then check the payment section again. Also, make sure your PayPal account is verified because some transactions may require a verified payment source. And that's it. You've successfully linked your PayPal account to Epic Games. If this video helped you out, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.